Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss question number 1 to 10 of General Organic Chemistry from Advanced Problems in Organic Chemistry for JEE by MS Chauhan. In question number 1, how many 2-degree hydrogen atoms are present in the given following compound? So 2-degree hydrogens are those hydrogen which is attached with a carbon and that carbon attached with another 2 carbons. So like this we can have 2-degree hydrogen, this one, this one, this one and these 4. Okay, so total number of hydrogen, 2-degree hydrogen present in this molecule is C. That is question number 1, option C will be the correct option. In question number 2, identify which functional group is not present in the given compound. So the option was is ketone. So this is the ketone functional group present in the molecule. Second one is ester. This one is ester functional group present in the molecule. Third one is amide. So this one is amide functional group present in the molecule. So ether functional group is not present in the molecule. So for question number 2, option D should be the correct option. In question number 3, the correct energy profile diagram for amine inversion and hybridization of nitrogen in the transition state. So this nitrogen is sp3 hybridized and after inversion this nitrogen again sp3 hybridized. Okay, so for this hybridization change or this transition state will look like this: H D T with unhybridized pure p orbital containing 2 electrons. So this transition state will look like trigonal planar and it will be sp2 in nature. Okay, so energy profile diagram, A and B will be in the similar energy because both of them are same, and transition state will have higher energy because this is sp2 in nature. So for this, option D will be the correct option. For question number 4, correct order of the heat of combustion of the above compound is: see, heat of combustion is directly proportional to number of carbon atom present in the molecule. So in 1 we have total 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon atoms. In 2 we have 1 2 3 4 5 carbon atoms. In 4 we have 1 2 3 4 carbon atoms. So as heat of combustion is directly proportional to number of carbon atom present, that's why the maximum heat of combustion is for 1, then 2, then 3. So for question number 4, option A should be the correct option. In question number 5, which of the following is not a resonance structure of the others? So if we start with option A, the second structure will look like this. And the third structure will look like this. Okay, so A, B, C, they are canonical form to each other. Option D is not a canonical form for the molecules. So we have to find not a resonance structure. So option D is our answer. In question number 6, rank the hydrogen atoms H, H, B, H, C present in the molecule in the decreasing order of their acidic strength. See, acidic strength is directly proportional to stability of the conjugate base. So if we remove HC, we can have conjugate base like this, and this conjugate base is resonance stabilized, and we can draw total 3 number of canonical forms. Okay, again if you remove HB, then we can draw the canonical form like this, and we have two canonical forms. And if we remove HA, there is no canonical form present in the molecule. So there is no net stabilizing effect present for HA. So this is for HC, this is for HB, this is for HA. Correct stability for the conjugate base order is for HC, then HB, then HA. Hence the correct answer for question number 6 is option D. In question number 7, the correct relation between the bond lengths A and B. See, we have lone pairs over this oxygen and this is in resonance with this C double bond O. So we can draw another canonical form like this. Now if you see, between A and B, in the position of B, in the both canonical form we have single bond. And in position A, for the first canonical bond form we have single bond, and for second one we have double bond. So average bond order will become more than 1. So as we know that more the bond order, lesser will be the bond length. For question number 7, we can say that bond length of B will be greater than bond length of A. This is due to the presence of this C double bond O only. So for question number 7, option B should be the correct option. In question number 8, the number of sp2 sp2 sigma bond present in the given molecule. So this is the sp2 sp2 sigma bond. We have another pi bond also here, but this is the sp2 sp2 sigma bond. This is also sp2 sp2 sigma bond. This is also sp2 sp2 sigma bond. This is also sp2 sp2 sigma bond. So for question number 8, we have total 4 sp2 sp2 sigma bond. That's why option C should be the correct option. In question number 9, the total number of lone pair present in the given molecule. In oxygen we have 2 lone pairs, in nitrogen we have 1 lone pair, so total number of lone pair is 3. So for question number 9, option B should be the correct option. In question number 10, which of the following ring is highly strained? See, lesser the number of member of the ring, more will be the ring strain. So for this, option C should be the correct option, because this is a 4-member ring only. Thank you for watching.